Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in easy and funny way. In previous lesson, we did the dialogue section and we have totally 4 dialogues and we finished 2 dialogue, and in this video we will do another 2 dialogues here. So let's start. And before start the lesson, don't forget to solve tests on cards that I will ask the characters' meaning and their tones there. Okay, let's start. First, as we see, we don't have pinyin, so what we do, we will write the tones on the characters. So here, sh for tone, wo, sh, liu, second tone, xue, second tone, sheng, liu xue sheng, foreigner student, ni, mang,你忙吗 here 你呢 and 今天你高兴你高兴吗 doesn't have tone, so here 你呢 okay. Let's look at the third dialogue. Here A ask a question and B answer like this. B answer sure. It's a short answer, right? So what did I say in previous lesson also? If we can make a short answer with the word which we used in this question. So here we see sure. So in our question there must be sure. So the other answer is 我是留学生. I am a foreigner student. I am a foreigner student. So why should we ask, are you a foreigner student? Sure, yes. 我是留学生. Yes, I am a foreigner student. So how can we ask, are you a foreigner student in Chinese? First, our subject is 你是 here we use 是 你是留学生吗 Liu, second tone. 薛 Liu 薛 Sheng first tone. Sheng right here again. Okay. Sheng Liu Xue Sheng, and we are making a so question. So put ma end of the question, end of the sentence. 你是留学生吗 Are you a foreigner student? Sure, yes, 我是留学生. I am a foreigner student. So second question here. 你忙吗 Are you busy? We are giving an answer here, and later we will ask 你呢 What about you and you? So here we have an answer this question. So, 你忙吗? What should we say? I want to say I am not really busy. I am not really busy. So how can I say that? 我不太忙. And here we have a rule. 不, we should read like second one. 我不太忙. 我不太忙. I'm not very busy. 你呢? And you? So A also doesn't give the same answer. A will be very busy. So you should say here 我很忙. Third one. 我很忙.忙. 我很忙. I am very busy. 我很忙. I am very busy. Okay, third dialogue like this. Let's pass the fourth dialogue. Here, 今天你高兴吗? 高兴 here, pleased, glad. Are you glad today? Or you can translate it here like happy, but it's not cheerful meaning. For example, you heard a news, so you are so happy and you can't stand where you are, and you wanna laugh and smile. It's not like this. We will use 快乐 and 开心 for that. This 高兴 this means pleased, glad. Are you glad today? For example, are you happy today? And here we will give two answer here. 今天你高兴吗? So B should be we can say 我很高兴.我很 高兴. 我很高兴. I am very glad. I am very pleased. 你呢? What about you? And we give the same answer here. 我也很高兴. I am very pleased too. I am also very pleased. I am also very glad. 我也很 高 first one 高兴 And here we have three third tone. So what was our rule? If we have three third tone, the middle third tone becomes the second tone. So we should read the sentence like 我也很高兴，我也很高兴，我也很高兴。Like this. I am very glad too. I am also very glad. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. I hope you are learning something from my videos. See you later.